Yabona kunezinto engizenzayo engangazi ukuthi ngizenziswa yini ekuqaleni before ngidiscover human design. Now I know exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing, the way I'm doing it. Qala, I thought maybe there is something wrong with me. They are right. I am an outsider. Now I know exactly what, no man. They are not wrong. I am not wrong. I am just me. That's it. Ngenxa ye-human design, because kubuhlungu second guess ungazi ukuthi lento is because you are influenced, or is it you, is it right, you are just second guessing nje. Yabo, wathi kumnikazi we-human design system ura uruhu before asishiye emhlabeni ngo-2011, wathi human design eyabantwana. Mina ke sengiyayi-understandela nje ngokwami ukuthi weqinisile phela, you can't teach an old trick new dog. Hayi, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Injalo indaba ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Bathi mabeyale bese nawe ucabanga ukuya le uphindwile ngoba wena awuzazi kahle. Mina ngingak-advise ukuthi zirideleni lezi ngane ama-charts. Ingane zirideleni ngoba uzothola ukuthi ekuningi futhi engingakusho ngalento, but I don't want to sithini lesi singisi, angisazi ukuthi sesithini, kodwa angifuni ukupick into specifically because I've read so many charts of people. It will be like I'm referring to a certain individual, but what I can say, barideleni laba ama-charts ngoba uzothola ukuthi awazi ukuthi yini indaba le ilokhu igcogcoma ibamba laphi kanti iwu-line 3. Yabo, iwu-line 3. Khona uzoqonda ukuthi lo njengoba ewu-line 6 vele ngisazomfaka kwi-course aphinde aphume kuyona leyo course. Yabo, kumele ukuqonde lokho. Ungazi ukuthi hayi wena njena awufani nabanye, awukwazi ukuhlala entweni eyodwa. Hayi bo, esazoshintsha imisebenzi engazazi ukuthi ufuna ukusebenza kuwo u-line 6. Lokho kuyakunikeza isithombe sokuthi ngoba ngiyawazi, at least ke lingane niyazazi izikhathi ezizalwe ngazo ke, at least lokho kwenza ukuthi i-chance lithi kuba like more accurate. Yabo, khona uzokwazi ukuthi okay, more especially nje umuntu o-line 6 nomuntu o-line 3 uzumuntu ethi angikwazi ukucommit entweni eyodwa, and that is what is bad about me. Kanjani uthi ikubad ngawo ukuthi wena ukwazi ukucommit entweni eyodwa njengoba u-line 3 vele. We are not here to do that. We are not here to commit on one thing. You don't have to fix that. Phela wena ukuthi you have to move correctly from one thing to the next. Yabo, because it's easy to even develop the low self-esteem ukuthi even what I'm embarking on even now, it's still gonna fail because even the last one failed. I find myself believing it. Vele kanti wena we are here to figure out what works by first figuring out what doesn't. Ayizwa lona, kuhle ukwazi lokho. Umu-line 2 uzazi ngu-line 2, mina nje ngu-line 2 angazi ukuthi izinto ngizenza kanjani, kodwa ngizithola sengikwazi ukuzenza nje, and angifuni ukubuzwa ngalokho. Yabo, uma uzoloku ngi-interrogate ukuthi how do I do this, it becomes a problem. Because I just know. I don't know how I know. I don't know how I do what I do. I'm just a line 2. Ngoba kulula nje as a line 2 ugcina usucabanga ukuthi uyaye fraud, uyi-scam. Ngenxa yokuthini? Just because things they just happen naturally kuwena, wena uwazi ukuzenza naturally without ukuthi mhlawumbe ufunde kakhulu ube ne-foundation yazo noma uyi-test, they just happen natural. Then you might think ukuthi mhlawumbe is not enough because ku-natural phela kwenzeka like automatically wena ungaba nakho ukuthi mhlawumbe me-fraud, I'm not even competent kule nto, yabo. Uyazi second guess, uyazi doubter ke lapho. And ke usuzodinga abantu abazolobe bekutshela ukuthi hayi right nabo still ungabakhola futhi. Ukuthi you can do this when you can do this when now right la. But because you don't know how you do what you do, you will think ukuthi and then you start complicating things. You start complicating them because as when I went into naturally, they just happen naturally without you having the sufficient knowledge ngazo. You may start to complicate things ngenxa ukuthi they are too like simple for you, yabo. They are too simple and then now you want to complicate them. That's where the problem will start. Umtholo line 1 ejumpela kwizinto anganayo i-foundation yazo. Wena umuntu oline 1 awazi ukujumpela ezintweni ongenayo i-foundation yazo. Awukwazi. Mu line 1 we are an investigator. You need to have sufficient information first. If you don't have it, you just stay away from that. That's the nature. Like, I think these things help, guys. I think these things. Yabo nje mina as a line 5. I'm a 2-5 by the way. As a line 5 on the unconscious side. Ngiyazi ukuthi I am not surprised if I just figure out something spiritually or like philosophical and then I say across, this is one size fits all. No, okay, I'm a universalizer. Take it to strangers, to everyone. I'm a universalizer. That's the nature of who I am. And by living the nature of who I am, I give at peace. Because I don't have to box. Or I don't have to box myself. Because I'm a universalizer. I figure out something, get it across. This is it. Yeah. And I know what I'm living in a projection field. That is me as a line 5. I know I'm living in a projection field. I used to think in Zemnan, why people they see like that's being virtuous in me. Abanqenje ungenza group leader. Abanqenje ukuthi uthola ukuthi it's like nabanye abantu bathi nje mina akungifanele ukuthi bengenza lento njengalabo. It's like mina I'm virtuous. There's something virtuous about me. Yabo? It's like, why? What's wrong with good man? Yabo? Yeah, liyamsana noko line 5 wami lokho. Yeah, line 5 that's the nature. Line 5 they bangamenza be in charge of things. Abe in charge bengaze bembone ba in charge anyway. So nje sicela usivalele ngomkhuleko. Akaze bembone esontweni. God. Angicela ungisize nginenkinga ekhaya. Kodwa line 5 because they see the projection, they project. Awubaza abantu abeza kimi ukuthi bangakanani mina. Coming to me nje. They want me to help them 1 2 3 4 yabo. Spiritually and what's not, you see. Because they don't see me. They see their projection on me. They see their project. That's the nature of who I am. They project things. Their hopes. They are me being a savior. That's what they project. And me now, I don't have to live up to everybody's expectation.